I'm a simple guy. There are 3 essential features that I need in a single family home if I was shopping in Canmore. My new listing in Three Sisters Mountain Village has those 3. Let's go right now and I'll show you around. Welcome to 124 Casale Place. We are in a private cul-de-sac in the Three Sisters neighborhood in Canmore, and behind me we have over 3,000 square feet of house that I'm going to show you in just a few minutes, and you're not going to want to miss it. My favorite feature of this house though is right behind me. It is a triple car garage, very rare to find in Canmore, and has room for all of your bikes, all of your skis, all of your camping gear, as well as your car. Let's go inside now and take a look at the rest of the house. As soon as you walk into this house, you get a real appreciation for the grand foyer with the spiral staircase coming up to the main level, as well as the cathedral ceilings that give a real sense of spaciousness in this home. So the spiral staircase leads up from the main foyer to this open expanse of a living space. We have beautiful hardwood cherry floors, and then in the kitchen we have this huge granite slab of an island, eating bar that easily sits 5 people, pantry right behind me. The island actually has a prep sink in, so you can prepare all your vegetables for your dinner right here. And then the feature of the kitchen has this Rundle Rock surround 6-burner gas stove with a Viking hood fan. And as we move around the kitchen, this is probably the best place to do any washing up in Canmore. You've got great views of your back deck, your private backyard, and the Three Sisters Mountains. And the kitchen obviously flows straight through into the main living space of the house. So right behind me we have the living space, floor to ceiling windows looking out again south facing over that backyard and into the mountains. We've got a Rundle Rock gas fireplace just behind me. And then as we move over to my left here, we have a nice dining space with its own private deck just outside with views down the valley to the northwest. Again, another rare view that you don't often see in Canmore. So I have to speak to you about this deck off the dining space because it's on the side of the house. It actually is the length of the home. So we've got great views to the south, and we've also got great views to the north and the west. And it's a beautiful place just to hang out. It's really private and gives you a good sense of how large and how treed this lot actually is. So halfway between the main floor and the foyer, we've got this very private and secluded primary suite. The primary suite itself easily fits a king bed. We've got vaulted ceilings in here. We have a Rundle Rock gas fireplace, as well as the 3rd deck of the home. And that deck is east facing, so you can have your morning coffee as the sun comes up over Grotto Mountain. So this triple-sided gas fireplace is kind of the separator between the primary suite and this luxurious ensuite washroom. We have a multi-head shower just to my right, double sinks behind me, and then this beautiful soaker jetted tub to hang out and look at the views of Grotto Mountain as you're having a bath. On the same level as the primary suite, you also have this beautiful office space, easily fits 2 desks for that couple that works from home, but still lets in lots of light from those large windows. So the main level of this house has in-floor heat underneath this beautiful slate tile. We have 2 bedrooms down here, a great media room or family room for hanging out and watching movies or playing games, as well as a large Jack and Jill washroom with a steam shower and jetted tub. Just a few steps from the main level, we've got access to the triple car garage, as well as some great storage closets and mechanic room. This very serene and beautiful back deck has 2 of my favorite characteristics. One, it's huge and large enough for entertaining or just sitting around with friends having a glass of wine on the end of a nice summer's day. The second is it's very, very private and has amazing south-facing views, so you get all day sun here. It's beautiful just to hang out in the sun and appreciate that you're in the mountains. An added feature to this back deck is this back gate. It actually gives you access to the pathways in Three Sisters just behind us here, where you can take a nice leisurely stroll either to the Bow River or, if you're more adventurous, all the way downtown Canmore. As always, thanks for watching. My contact information is just below if you'd like a private tour of this house or you'd like more information. And as always, we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button.